Okay, so in this section, I'm going to show you how you can hyperlink any text or image to a specific page within the same InDesign document. This is perfect for creating clickable menus, table of contents, or interactive PDFs where users can jump to different sections with a click. It's very, very simple. Trust me, guys. For instance, this is an image, and I want this image to be linked to a particular page in this document in such a way that when they click on this image, it will take them to a specific page in the document. For instance, let's say I'm explaining what this image is all about, or I'm making reference to the image, I can use that feature. It's very, very simple. All I need to do is to right click on it. For instance, let's choose a page first so that you can understand clearly. Let's say I want to link this particular image to page 5. All I need to do is to click on the image. When I click on the image, I right click and then look for hyperlinks. Place that says hyperlinks. After I click it on my mouse, I click on hyperlinks, then click on new hyperlinks. When I click on new hyperlinks, at the top here where it says link to, like it's asking me where I want to link that particular image to. So I click on pages. We have different things. We have URL, file, email, and all that. We're going to cover some of them later, but let's focus on the page in this section. When I click on page, it will ask me to choose a particular page number. So by then you would have done your page number and all that. If you don't know how to do page number, then check my page for details on that. I'm going to do a video about that, or I've done a video about that already. Just check it out. If it's not there, leave me a comment and I'll create a video. Or if it's there, just watch it. Okay, we are linking to page 8, right? Then I click on page 8 here and okay. But before then, there's something called zoom settings. You can play around it in window, fit width, height, all that. But I just leave it at fixed and click on okay, and boom, that is it. It's as simple as that. You can see that is it. It has been linked already. You can see the blue stuff around it, so it has been linked already. What if I want to link a particular text? No, we have done for image now. What if it's a text? Maybe there's a text in the document and I want people to go to a particular page. Whenever they click on that text, it's as simple as what we just did also. For instance, you can see different lists here now. We have like 12 lists here now, and I want each of these lists to be linked to a particular page in the document that explains extensively what that is all about. For instance, we have start with an information discussion. Let me click on it. Start with an information discussion. I want them to click on that. I want it in such a way that whenever they click on it, it will take them to the page that talks about start with an information discussion. All I need to do is to select it, right click on it, then click on hyperlink, then new hyperlinks, then still on pages. I now look for the page, but this is on page 3. I'll show you page 3. I click on okay. Why? Because start with an information discussion. You can see it here. Start with an information discussion. This is the explanation. So whenever they click on this, to take them to this place. So let's do for another one before we move to the next section of this video. Let's do for natural conference. This is a real project and I want to do for all of them, but for this video, let's just do for 2. Then we can proceed to the next section. This neutral conference, sorry, is in page 9. You can see it here. Is in page 9. Okay, neutral conference, right? So let's go back. So I'll select it. Right click on it. Hyperlinks, new hyperlink. So it's on pages. Make sure it's on pages, please. Don't do that mistake. Make sure it's on pages here. Then click on the page and then look for page 9 and click on okay, and that is it. You can do for all of them. So this is how you can link your image or text to a particular page in your document in InDesign. So let's move to the next section. So in this section, we're going to be looking at how to create hyperlinks that take users directly to a website. Whether you are linking to your portfolio, a product page, or an external article, or any web page in general, I will walk you through exactly how to do this. And this is very simple. So let's say, for instance, in my document, I have a link. I have different links in this document. Let me use one link as an example. So we have a link here now. This link here in this document. Let's say I want to hyperlink this link in such a way that when they click on this link, it will take them to that specific web page or website or anything that has to do with web pages, right? So what I need to do now is to copy it, right click on it, and then click on hyperlinks, the same thing I've been doing. Then at the top here, we'll change to URL, not pages, not image, but URL. So I click on it as URL and you can see it here. Click on what? Okay, and boom, you can see it has been hyperlinked already. Okay, now don't be confused. When you do this, your text will turn to blue and underlined. Okay, but I've done some things on my own. This is a document I'm working on. Like I have some character, I have my paragraph settings already. There's a way I want my document to look like. So in this case, you may not see those blue stuff or that underline when you hyperlink a particular text on InDesign or any file. So keep that in mind. But now that's hyperlinked already. The hyperlink is there. When you export it and click on it, it will take you to that particular web page. That's simple. Yes, it's very simple. Hyperlinking to an email address. This is useful when you want readers to easily get in touch with you or your email address easily without just typing it. When they just click on the email, it takes them straight to the place. So let's use this for an example. This is an email address here. I've done for this already. Don't forget, this is a real life project I'm working on, so put that in mind. Just right click on it, go to hyperlinks, edit hyperlinks. Then instead of URL, now is on email. Then click on the email, then the subject line. Anything you want to put on the subject line, you are free to do so. But for me, I'll leave it empty. But you can see the the link, the address is here already, or you can put any address you want to put manually. You can just type it here and you'll be fine, and click on OK, and that is it. Now you have known how to hyperlink anything to a particular page in InDesign document, how to hyperlink websites URL or any URL in general, and how to hyperlink email addresses. Now, how do you export? This is how you export. Very simple. Click on Ctrl E or Command E if there is Mac, or you go to your file, then you click on export. So if you are exporting now, you are not exporting as print, you are exporting as interactive. Okay, interactive. Then you give it a name. Let's just say, let's save it as hyperlink. Let's save it as hyperlink. Then you save it as, let me push that download. I have some things in document I want. Okay, then a file will show like this. All pages, compressor. Make sure it's on that 300, 114, 96, 72, depending on how you want it to be. For me, I want mine to be in 300, and that is all. Yeah, click on export and you're like to load, and you have your document ready to be previewed as expected. So let's go and look for our document, download, and see it hyperlink. Let me open it. So this is our page hyperlink. So this is the document. Let me go to the stuff that we hyperlink and let's see it out. Okay, we hyperlink this particular one. Start with information discussion. You can see it takes us to page 3. The image, we hyperlink it to what? Page 8. You can see it's on page 8. Now let's check our website. This is our website. Okay, when you click on it, this way taking us to, is opening the web page, and boom, you can see that's taking us to this place. So I would advise you, when you are doing yours, you can see it takes us to a particular web page. Click on open in next page and to take you to a next page instead of reloading it on top the color file you have in. So this is how to do our hyperlinks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Bye for now.